This 2016 Coachmen Catalina 273BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 29 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 9, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, oven, microwave, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, water heater, self-contained, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Coachmen Catalina 273BH is 4,688 pounds. This 2016 Coachmen Catalina 273BH. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.